Get freaky, get wild. Do it how you wanna do it doggy style. Bend it over, get you wet, no towel. Let you slip down, I'ma drip in. Slip in, split. Excuse me for acting so different. I just had to get your attention, missus. I love the way your teeth glisten. I need some of your attention. I'm talking afterwards. Maybe we could get up in the shower. I could fuck you for an hour. Hit you with my mojo, Austin Powers. Boy, I never buy you flowers. Fuck her and I left. Yeah, and I got up on my jet. Did a little bit of cocaine to the neck, and I took it to the nose. And your bitch is on my dick, and she taking off her clothes, and she put it on the show for the camera. Oh no, it's on a roll. MTV, she just made the cut. Look, she showing the butt. Now what? She turned into a slut. So shut the fuck up. Got a bitch on my dick, got a bitch on my lip, got a bitch on my hip, got a bitch on my hand, got a bitch in the planet. Boy, you couldn't understand it if I wrote it out in manwich, and I got it down. She eating my dick like a sandwich. I love the way it tastes. Oh God, I call it manwich, and I put it in her face. Oh, I'm fucking her face, so I'm getting facial. Boy, I'm going out of space, but I'm not spatial. Talking shit on different colors, but I'm not racial. And I smoke blunts. I do prefer papers, but I smoke blunts cause they got different flavors. I am with the Taylors, but I can't even say a prayer because my savior is somewhere in the air. He don't care, he bounce it like it's not fair. Pretty girlies in the air, throwing hundreds, throwing 50s at your titty. Go ahead, strip, I'ma be tickle. You can get with me, lift my left nut testicle, and then I get up in you like it's expectable. It's incredible how edible you taste, and it's legible when I write on your face. When I come, you fucking numb, you dumb. Bitch, give me brain, give me brain. Let me see how smart you are. Let me see if you got the Harvard thing. If you can't, you might get a scholarship. Go ahead and suck on Professor Scholar's dick. I mean, for real, you could do some shit. When I ask something, just acknowledge it. When I post something, just follow it. Just make sure you swallow it. I don't like it when you spit them out. Just keep them in your mouth. Let the shit go down your throat like down south. Then I take the shit out. I put my lips on the lips, and I give the pussy lips a kiss. It's delicious. Make me lick my lip, smacking look good. Finger looking good, baby. KFC, she on my dick. PD, pipe down all the time. Pass around the town, she a bite now. Fucking kissing her best friend, she a dyke now. Lights out, yeah, pop it on the ground.